to go. One thing to remember on these restarts.
I like them.
Watch to your inside. These guys timing that right, diving down inside you, getting into turn 1. Closed.
All right, next gen at Dega for a quick 30
feel
lapper.
a lot smoother in the corners.
I don't know if it's a draft package or the setup. You know, I don't know anything about this car. I know nothing about setups, so it's just the stock setup. In practice, I slowed down for a couple cars to come up. I dropped in behind them, you know, maybe 2 car lengths because they had a head of steam on me, and I lost their draft. So I've heard something about the draft package.
You have 2 additional sets of tires for this race. Be smooth and have a good run.
And I don't know if that's, I went and looked, there's no tape, and I kind of knew that from ahead of time. But anyway, so I think if you get more than a car length behind somebody, you can't get up to them. In fact, I was with another car, me and another car were in a draft, and I could not touch him.
18. You're behind the 7. You'll be lining up behind the 1. They could be lining up behind the 27, behind the 2.
Yeah, we drafted 2 or 3 laps, and I could not touch him. I could get right to him almost, but I don't know. And decided not to qualify. I don't know if hanging in the back is going to work here if you can't catch the draft. And I remember that with the Cup car and the Xfinity car earlier this year at the Super Speedway here. We got a cone of user. That should be an X. So this is kind of a throwaway race, just a fun one for me. Probably be just all-in car to get it out there and have a little fun here. Now that being said, you know, I'm not going to do anything foolish. My truck race at Dega here was incident-free and positive IR. I'd like to continue that trend, if possible.
Good luck.
Double check your steering wheel, get a good look at your switches. You're ready to go. Hey, start it off. Are you ready? Have a great day. Green flag.
You know what time it is? Crank that knob to 11.
Cause.
I'm sorry. My
You doing there, bud?
I thought my spotter said clear and I went down here. It wasn't clear. I'm sorry.
I brought a map, pace cars off, go out and kick some ass, have some fun. green, green, green.
Yeah, we left those guys behind. No caution.
Outside. Still out there. Clear outside.
Whole lot of movement up there. Wow. Making me nervous.
775.
Left car, go high, King.
Inside. Clear.
Left car go high and he goes low. He's still low. Did he go to the apron? Nope. And he's all over the place. Okay, went to the apron. Good man.
Get that front herd out of the way. Tell them to keep on going or move. I'm on it. Working about him inside.
Holy smokes, Jesus Christ. And I thought I was a weaver. All right, another lapper up here. He is high. Nobody behind me. I can get on the brakes as hard as I want. Okay, he went to the inside. Interesting. Like it. I don't know if these guys are playing with consoles or what.
Inside. Still there. Inside.
Third of the way through. This is a quickie, so not a whole lot of time to think.
49.4.
Be timid sister.
Still inside. 20 laps to go right now. Still inside. Still there at your door inside.
Something will happen on the backstretch.
Still there. Corner. Clear. Good job.
See, unlike in the trucks, I can't get up on that car on the outside.
.968.
Oh, that's the oil temperature. Oh, there it is.
Way to go, you're an idiot.
All right, that's a protest.
Inside clear.
Thanks for taking me out for your childish fucking move.
He knows you're coming.
I understand you were pissed off about him cutting you off, but that's no reason to ruin my race.
Earl, let's get along, help with these lappers. 10-4. Good up, my man. Show him you're on the way.
My bad.
Riding around in the back, trying to play it safe, get taken out.
Working the bottom inside.
Well, that was the end of the race. I didn't come in for repairs. This is such a short race, you know, with 30 laps and all that. I was able to go out there and limp around with another lapper. Got passed by the lead lap twice, so I finished 2 laps down in the 21st position, which is where I started. Took a big hit on the safety rating and a big hit on the I rating. Decided to give the guy a couple hours. He never PM'd me or anything, so yeah, I'm turning it in. That's a protest. Well, that was a crapper. Saw it happen right in front of me. I was shocked when he put him into the wall. You know, and like I said, I understand he's pissed. No reason. He didn't even know I was behind him. And put him in the wall. They came down and took me out. All right, let's go take a look at that. And just put him right into the wall. Wow, as hard a hit as I took, I'm surprised I was able to go as fast as I was. All right. It was the 25, and he did call out sorry, but you know what? He got a hell of a run on the 5, went out high, and the 5 carried it. You know what, 25, I'm going to kind of put a little bit of that on you. Then he got pissed and pretty much speaks for itself. You know, I understand he feels sorry about that, but you know what? That's what the protest system's for, and if it's his first one, it's no big deal. And we all move on. All right, guys and gals, thanks for coming along for the ride, and hope to see you next time.